Magnesium, your heart's best friend. The heart is the engine of the body, and magnesium is the oil that keeps it running smoothly. This mineral is a key player in over 300 bodily functions, particularly those concerning the heart. Let's delve into the 7 unique benefits of magnesium for your heart health. Firstly, magnesium promotes heart rhythm. This mineral helps maintain a steady heartbeat and prevents arrhythmia. It maintains the electrical activity of the heart, ensuring your heartbeat stays consistent and healthy. Secondly, magnesium aids in blood pressure regulation. It relaxes the muscles of the heart and blood vessels, helping to reduce high blood pressure. A healthy blood pressure means less strain on your heart. The third benefit is cholesterol control. Magnesium can help balance your cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to heart disease. By regulating this, magnesium safeguards your heart health. Fourth on our list, magnesium helps prevent calcification of arteries. This mineral prevents calcium buildup in the arteries, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, a major cause of heart attacks. The fifth benefit is its role in blood sugar control. Elevated blood sugar levels can lead to heart disease. Magnesium helps regulate these levels, protecting your heart. Magnesium also aids in inflammation reduction. Chronic inflammation can harm your heart and other organs. This beneficial mineral can help reduce inflammation, giving your heart a healthier environment to function. The seventh benefit is stress reduction. High stress levels can increase heart disease risk. Magnesium aids in reducing anxiety and stress, keeping your heart healthier. Ensuring adequate magnesium intake can significantly benefit your heart. So how can you increase your magnesium levels? There are several ways to incorporate magnesium into your diet. Foods rich in magnesium include green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Supplements are another way to ensure you're getting enough magnesium. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regime. You could also consider topical magnesium applied directly onto the skin. This method is believed to bypass the digestive system, providing a direct route to your bloodstream. Epsom salt baths are a popular method of getting magnesium. The mineral is absorbed through the skin, helping to replenish your body's magnesium levels. Let's not forget about magnesium-rich mineral water. Drinking mineral water is an easy way to up your magnesium intake. Remember, it's not just about adding magnesium to your daily routine. It's also important to avoid things that can deplete your magnesium levels. Stress, poor diet, and certain medications can all drain your body's magnesium reserves. Be mindful of these factors and work to minimize them. Avoid consuming too much alcohol, caffeine, or soda. These can interfere with your body's ability to absorb magnesium. As with all aspects of health, balance is key. Too much magnesium can have negative effects. Always aim for the recommended daily amount. Don't ignore the symptoms of a magnesium deficiency. These can include muscle cramps, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat. If you suspect a magnesium deficiency, consult your healthcare professional. They can provide advice tailored to your specific needs. Maintaining heart health involves regular exercise, a balanced diet, and a healthy lifestyle. Adding magnesium to this mix can be a game changer. Remember, your heart works hard every day. It's important to give it the care it deserves. Magnesium, with its myriad of heart benefits, is an essential part of this care. It's never too late to start caring for your heart. Incorporating magnesium into your routine can help ensure your heart stays strong and healthy. To summarize, magnesium benefits your heart by regulating heartbeat, managing blood pressure, balancing cholesterol, preventing artery calcification, controlling blood sugar, reducing inflammation, and managing stress. Look after your heart, and it will look after you. Embrace the power of magnesium, your heart's best friend. Your heart health is in your hands. Harness the benefits of magnesium and give your heart the love it deserves. Remember, a strong heart equals a strong life. Make magnesium a part of your heart-healthy lifestyle today. Your heart will thank you for it. Thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe.